Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, girl, we have some new products that we're gonna try out. I picked up a few things, not a lot, but I'm into a lot of foundation these days. L'Oreal came out with a foundation, and girl, let's talk about the shade range for a minute. Like, why? So I think they have at least maybe 5 shades. So this is the Skin Paradise Tinted Moisturizer. So it's water infused, okay? And I pick up the shade Deep 2. So Deep 2 and Deep 3 is the two darkest shades for this foundation. And girl, fresh glow with luminous coverage, and it's 24 hours hydration. You know what it is? I think a lot of companies gonna be coming out with a lot of tinted moisturizer because, girl, you know, we wear a mask, and I don't think a lot of people wear full coverage because we wearing a mask, right? So we're gonna be trying out this. So let's see. And I already told you guys, there's not a lot of shade of this. This is maybe $12. L'Oreal stuff is a little bit expensive to me. That's why sometimes I don't really pick up this stuff. So, oh girl, I said $12. This is $17. And they have 12 shades. And I just, oh girl, we're not gonna talk about this in 2021. If you don't want to pick it up, you don't have to, okay? If they're not shades, don't worry about it. Move along, because this is just crazy. So the next thing that we're gonna try out is these two things from Revolution. This is a serum. This is a Skin Brightening Makeup Serum. This has vitamin C and orange blossom. This also has the same ingredients, and this one is a primer. We're gonna be seeing a lot of blushes in 2021, okay? Especially the cream blushes. So this is the Putty blush, and this is from e.l.f. And this shade is Caribbean. I only picked up one because I'm not picking up all these shades. And this is from e.l.f. This is the lash lifting mascara, and this is it here. So we're gonna try it out, girl. I think they have the big one, but I picked up the small one. This is like $14. So we're gonna be trying out this new palette here from Revolution, okay? And this is the shades here. I really do love the shades in this palette. Really, really pretty. So I want to put on this first before I put on the foundation. Now the serum, let me see if I could use it with the foundation. Yeah, I could use it with the foundation. So this gives you a nice healthy glow, as it says in the bottle. Okay, I can't get much of it. It's like it's really, really thick in the bottle. Okay, so let's just see again, because this is very hard to pump out. What in the... Girl, this thing is so thick. I'm not liking this. It's not coming out. Like, oh my god, it's a little bit. I'm not gonna keep this if this is the problem. I'm not doing this in 2021. Nope. So let's just see how this feels on the skin. It goes on really nice. It's a really thick formula though. Yeah, if you guys could see, like, it's really hard to get it out the bottle. It's not scoping out. Okay, we're done with this. So we're gonna try out the primer. This is 12 months shelf life. So we're gonna take a little bit and put here. I'm gonna go online and see exactly what this primer does. So let me just put that on first. So the primer is a little bit thinner than the serum. And I usually put a lot of the primer because my skin is very dry. All over the nose, because I do get a little separation there, especially with foundation. I really do like the feeling of it. It's like really soft and very glowy as well. You know what? I'm gonna put on the foundation first, and then after we're gonna put on the blush. I really want to see what this foundation is giving, girl. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit right here. This is a shade. Let me just blend that out here. Okay, I'm using my shiny brush. Let's just see. Okay, I didn't put a lot of it. I just put the little bit that I had on my hand. Okay. So we're gonna do one side first. Let me see how much ounce is this. Okay, this is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, this looks good. This should. Let me stop talking. Let me just blend this out first. Okay. Okay. I thought deep 2 would have been too light, but it looks like it's working. So this is my face without any foundation on, and this is the side. Now I'm gonna try to put more right here. I have a little spot right here. I don't think this is gonna cover anything because it's a tinted moisturizer. It tends to go on very light on the skin. Honestly, you don't get a lot of this in here. Like, you don't. It feels like it's less than 1 fluid ounce. Glowy and dewy, girl. This is definitely for like work. It also looked like it oxidizing. Yeah, if you guys take a look, let me bring my hair back. You could take a look at my neck area. The difference, it does oxidize. So I'm gonna bring down the shade a little bit. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down here because I don't want my shirt to get dirty. So I'm gonna put powder there so it could match with my neck. I get a little bit of coverage. I do like the coverage. This is gonna work really good for work-wise because I do like tinted moisturizers for work, and this looks really good. I think it looks a little dark. It does. It looks like it's oxidizing. It looks really good. It don't really look that bad at all. I like the coverage. I like the fact that it's dewy, girl. It is dewy. Really, really pretty. And you're not gonna get a lot of coverage with this, so don't look for it because it's just a tinted moisturizer. If you are darker than myself, probably won't even find your shade because I don't really see a lot of people reviewing this product because of the shade range. So we're gonna go ahead and put the blush on. Oh, it's light. Ooh, girl, this is light. So I think whoa. This is light. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush from BH Cosmetics and let's just blend this out. This looks like it's drying down really fast. It's hard to move. You see it has a little line right there. Ooh, girl, if I knew, I would have put one at a time because it looks like it's drying down. So this is the only way that I could get to use my blushes because I can't put cream blushes on top of powder. So if you guys want to use cream blushes, this is the way, you know, it's safe to do it and it looks pretty nice. Like it. I don't want to take off everything. It blends out really nice. I do like it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with this powder. This powder here is from Jouer. I'm gonna take that and just place all over. Hey, I really do like this powder. I'm just trying to set everything. The blush is still there. I didn't set it as yet. That is a good sign. To set the blush, I'm gonna go in with this powder blush. This is from Tinted Cosmetics and this is Clay Too Much. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush here. This is from Real Techniques. Like this blush is so popular. It was sold out for like months. I was trying to get this because I really do love some blushes now. Blushes are my thing now. I really like them. And then I'm gonna take a little bit and put on my nose just to give my nose a little color. So I'm gonna set my face first before I go in with the eyeshadow. So this is from Milk Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with a clean sponge and just tap it. I don't know what I want to do, but I want to do something very simple. So to set my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer. I'm gonna put both of them there. And I'm also gonna set it because it needs to be set. I don't like when my eyes crease. And I'm just going in with a dry sponge to do this step. I just want to do everything step by step so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna set it with this powder from Laura Mercier. She is greasy girl, so I have to set the concealer because it's just gonna move. I'm gonna go in with Harmony, which is this shade here. I'm gonna take that. This is like a soft brown color. Makeup Revolution has some really nice palettes. This is the only one that I've seen for this year that caught my eye, and I really don't want to pick up too much eyeshadows this year. Ugh, girl, makeup is addictive. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this like so. Okay, so this shade is really pigmented. Love it. Wow. Palette is more on the neutral side. I wanted to put something like in the middle there, just to like bring it out. So let's see how this shade works. I'm using only one brush today, guys. Like let's just see how this looks. This is pretty good. It's not that bright. It's very different from in the pan. When I put it on, it's different. It looks like more on a dark orange shade, but it's different. It looked like more mustard, like a mustard shade in the palette. Take this shade here. This is Agra. This is a gold shade. Let's see how it works by itself, and let's just put that right there. Wow, pretty, right? So I'm just gonna pat it in. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down here because I still want to use another shade in the palette. I'm gonna go in with Zone, which is this is like a pink undertone shimmer shade. Oh, definitely I will need to wet this. This is not popping too much. Oh yes, it looks way much better when you wet it. Look at this. Pretty, but it looks like two of the same shade. One is just lighter than the other. It looks way different. It looks different in the palette. Yeah, it looks different, but oh god, yeah, it looks the same. Okay, so this is kind of disappointed. I thought that this shade would have looked different, but it's the same shade, and I'm getting a little fallout. It just, one is just lighter than the other one. Oh my god. It looked like the same shade put together. So I'm gonna go in with Core, which is this purple shade there. I'm gonna just take a little bit and put there, just to darken up that edges right there. And also gonna bring it up a little bit and meet that gold shade. Also, I'm gonna go back in Harmony and blend on top of here. Okay, that don't look bad. The palette is, you know, giving me a little life. It's cute. Okay guys, so we have this mascara that everyone is talking about that is so good. It gives you length. Girl, you guys see, like, I don't have any lashes. Like my lashes is like really short, but of course, why not try out this? So this is from Lancome 01. This is glossy black, fanned out volume and infused with white tea extract. So let's just see what she's giving. I gotta make sure I don't wink, girl, and I can't talk while I'm doing this. Like, excuse me. Ooh, Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm messing up. I'm messing up my makeup. This is the reason why I do this off camera. I can never get a break, girl. Okay, she don't look that bad though. It gave me a little volume, and it's definitely don't clump. Separate my lashes really nice. I like the length that it's giving me. It's like, wow, loving this. Look at this. My eyes are watery at this moment, and this is one of the reasons I hate doing this on camera, because this happens. But I'm gonna do the bottom. Let's see how much volume that I get in the bottom, because you guys see my natural lashes are very short. Let me just try this first, and then we're gonna see. I can't move my head because I'm gonna tear up. See, it's already happening, girl. And I like how the applicator is. It's kind of like bend a little bit so I could get in there. So you really don't have to put lashes if you don't want to. Like, this is just full. This looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm tearing up again. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, my eyes are so watery. The lashes is not sticking. So girl, I am so upset about this. And this is one of the reasons I don't mess with my eyes. It's like the makeup is just like, it's just washing away. It's not gonna stop unless I take the makeup off. And this is one of the reasons my lashes never stick on this side. I really do love this palette. This palette is beautiful. This is more like on the warm side palette. I love all the shades in this palette. I like them. I definitely gonna play around with the shades again. And it also has a mirror, and I love the packaging. It's like really pretty, okay? The only thing that I don't like about the serum is the product is really hard to come off from the bottle. I don't know why. It's like, it's so thick, you can't get it to scoop up. So I don't really care for it. I'm gonna return this, but also I'm gonna keep the primer because this is a beautiful primer for dry skin. Like, it softens the skin, it gives this nice glow on the face. It's a little bit more thinner and it blends out really nice. I really do like these blushes. They blend out really nice. The only thing I don't like for my skin that I have to blend out as soon as I put it on my skin, but it was a little hard to blend the harsh line out. So next time I'm gonna put it like on one side first, and then I'll put on the other one. The foundation is really good, I'm not gonna lie. The coverage is good. It gives me a nice coverage. It's not cakey on the skin. It blends out really nice, and it did oxidize a little bit. This is the actual shade. But I do like it. It's very nice on the skin and it's very glowy. Another thing that I forgot to mention about the palette, you are gonna get a little bit of fallout. I did get a few fallout right here with the shimmer shades. So maybe I should have done my eyes first. I don't know, because I don't like doing that step. But if you guys don't want any fallout under the eyes, I suggest you do your face last. But I like everything else that I shared with you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, guys. It's really important. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so when I upload, you guys know when I upload. Another thing I want to mention to you guys, I try to upload every day. This is 2021 and this channel has to grow this year. I don't care. I'm gonna try my best to upload every day, and I've been doing really good for the past couple weeks, so hopefully that I could keep this up. But this channel is growing because of you guys, and this year I'm just gonna upload every day as long as I could. Like, I'm just gonna upload. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Let me know what you guys think about the products I share with you guys today. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.